friends, welcome to my channel Beauty Getaways. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here to share with you an amazing DIY facial recipe which I will be making with papaya. Using papaya on your skin will help you to lighten and brighten your skin and also help you to get rid of scars, pigmentation, wrinkles and tan. Now before starting, let's discuss in details the benefits of papaya. Papaya contains papain, a natural skin enzyme that promotes skin renewal and cell turnover. It whitens the skin, it helps in exfoliation, it softens skin, helps remove pigmentation and scars, helps reduce wrinkles, removes tan, helps lighten freckles, and also helps reduce under eye dark circles. Now I have divided the facial into 4 parts. First is the cleanser, then the scrubber, then the massage cream, and lastly I'll be using the face mask. So let's begin. The first ingredient that we need for this recipe is the papaya paste. Just put some cubes of papaya in a mixer and make a very smooth paste of it. To make the cleanser, add 2 teaspoons of the papaya paste you had made and add 2 teaspoons of milk to it. Mix it thoroughly and your cleanser is ready. To make the scrubber, add 2 teaspoons of papaya paste, add 2 teaspoons of milk, add 2 teaspoons of white sugar or brown sugar and add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it thoroughly and your scrubber is ready. Now to make the massage cream, I will use raw aloe vera. You can also use aloe vera gels which you get in the market. Now I will add some raw aloe vera gel, 2 to 3 teaspoons of papaya paste, 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of milk, and we will make a smooth paste out of it in a mixer and your massage cream is ready. To make the face mask or the sheet mask, we will need some raw aloe vera gel, the leftover papaya paste, some fresh papaya cubes, and we will blend this properly in a mixer. We'll take out the juice of it as we are making a sheet mask. Now after extracting the juice, we will add some milk to it, 1 teaspoon of honey and 4-5 drops of lemon juice to the mixture. And the serum for your sheet mask is ready. First we'll start with the cleanser. First apply the cleanser on your face and keep it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just massage the cleanser nicely on your face for 4 to 5 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. After the cleanser, we'll do the scrubbing. Apply the scrubber on your face and massage it gently for 5 to 10 minutes. After massaging, wash it off with cold water. Now it's time for the massage cream. Apply the massage cream on your face and massage your face gently for 15 to 20 minutes and let the massage cream rest on your face for 5 minutes and then wash it off with cold. Now to make the sheet mask, we'll need a bowl of water where we'll drop the compressed sheet mask tablet which will instantly open and turn into a big sheet mask which we'll use in our recipe. Now we'll dip the sheet mask in the bowl of papaya serum and let it rest for 4 to 5 minutes. And after that, we'll take it out and apply it on our face and keep it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll just take it out and wash our face nicely with cold water. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Until we meet next time, take care and bye-bye.